So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Geek. We all connect our smartphones to the laptop or PC, but for that we need a USB cable. But can we connect our smartphones to laptop or PC wirelessly? Let's see. So first of all, go to the Play Store and type FTP server and download the app. You can download any app, but I would recommend this particular one, the FTP server. It is very small in size. Just download and click open. Click on the power button and then you can see a address FTP colon slash slash 192. But the main thing is your smartphone and the PC or laptop should be connected to same Wi-Fi network. You can see I am connected with my desktop hotspot, and my computer is also, obviously it will be in same network. If you are not in the same network, you should be in the same network. It won't cost any data, so you can turn on hotspot and turn off the data and connect to the Wi-Fi or hotspot. You just have to be in same network. Now come to your computer file manager, click on this PC and type that address in which is in your phone. FTP colon slash slash 192 dot blah 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 blah, everything, and you have to hit enter. And there you can see my SD card. File manager came here. Now all these folders are in my smartphone. I will open this image and show you the proof. You can copy and paste your files. You can drag and drop, and you can do anything. You can copy files, folders, photos, videos, anything. I will copy a video from phone storage to my e-disk. So it is copying.